To begin with adding widgets to your taskbar, open the Start menu and search for Settings. Click on the Settings app to open it. In the Settings window, navigate to Personalization on the left-hand side, and then select Taskbar from the options. Ensure that the Widgets feature is turned on and enabled. Once confirmed, you can close the Settings window. Next, press the Windows key and the letter W on your keyboard simultaneously. This action will open the Widgets panel. Within this panel, click on the plus icon located next to Widgets. You can then select the widget you wish to add, for instance, the weather widget. After making your selection, click on the Pin option to add it to your Widgets bar. Now, every time you press Windows key and W, you will see your pinned widgets in the left-hand navigation. For adding widgets directly to your desktop, start by opening the Start menu again, search for Microsoft Store, and open the application. In the search bar of the Microsoft Store, type Widgets and press Enter. You will find several different widget applications available. The one I prefer is called Widget Launcher. Click on the blue Get button to download and install it. Then press Open. Inside Widget Launcher, select the widget you want to display on your desktop, such as a digital clock. You can then customize its appearance and settings. Finally, click on Launch Widget at the bottom of the page. After a brief moment, an advertisement will disappear, and you can click Launch Widget again. You will now see the widget appear on your desktop. You can use the icon in the bottom right-hand corner to reposition the widget wherever you like on your desktop. Even if you close the Widget Launcher application, the desktop widget will remain visible. To remove a widget, simply click on the cross icon next to it and confirm by pressing Yes. It is that straightforward. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.